Hello guys, welcome to another video where you will get to learn a lot. Today we will trade in high volatile pair gold, where we can make good profit. I have deposited $4,000 in this account, which we will grow with proper risk management. We'll use strategy with high win rate in gold today. I am taking 0.10 lot size here, which is enough for our strategy. All of you always follow risk management so that your trade remains in profit. I am speeding up the video to 8x to save time. See you after taking all trades. Guys, is our trade place $36 running in minus? Let's see how much profit we can make in this trade. All trades are well placed. A good trader always takes risk management, which all traders must do. Let me explain to you how we got the buy opportunity here, and how can you also make profit using this strategy. If we look here, the market is going upwards, making new higher high. There is a strong uptrend here. Connect all the higher low points properly, by which we will know the right direction. And anytime in the future the market breaks this trend line, so we can get selling opportunity over there. Our trend line is in the right place if further market moves up with support on this trend line, so we can get buying opportunity. Like we draw the trend line below, we'll draw the trend line above the same angle. It will act as trend line resistance where we can see the reversal candle. Here also connect all the points well so that we can get higher high point in the right place in future. Our trend channel is complete. Here we see another small trend in the trend channel. Let me tell you where, but there is another trend. The market has been going up and down, making higher highs higher low for some time now. This is also a form of trend channel. The strategy of this trend channel is called trend in trend strategy, where we see more trends inside the trend. The market is creating an bullish expanding triangle here, which if it breaks the lower trend line, then the market will go down 80 to 90%. We will create a support resistance zone here with the help of the rectangle tool, from where we will know the exact place for the market to reverse. Even in history, the market had taken resistance here. Sometime back the market has broken this resistance, now it is going up by making support. The market is preparing to move up by taking support on the trend line in a smaller trend channel. This is our scalping trade, which will last for a few minutes or a few hours. There is a high percentage chance the market will go up, because our analysis is correct. As always, our stop loss will stay away from the support resistance area. You all also keep your stop loss away if the candle hits your stop loss by becoming a wick, so it's your fault, you should have put stop loss away. And my target point will be around the new higher high. Here I am using the risk to reward ratio 1:2, from which risk management and maintain your own rules.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Guys, our loss is running around $200. I put stop loss and target point, either one will be a hit. Let's see, the market is called. According to our analysis, the market should go up. Still don't know anything market can go against us. The market is in a strong uptrend and has also broken the resistance area some time back, and now preparing to go up by making him support here. We can see a bullish move for some time. We can't do anything except patience. Leave all the results on the market. What reward does it give us? See you after a few hours.
Okay.
Guys, our target point has been hit as we analyzed. The market has gone. We have achieved this target after just 2 hours 13 minutes, which is a matter of great pleasure. We made a small trend channel. The market has respect to that trend channel. My target has been achieved. I am closing all trades. The market can reverse at any time and has gone up significantly. Our profit is running at $3,054. Our analysis was perfect, which helped us achieve this goal. We had deposited $4,000, which is $7,092 with proper risk management. If you see our return, then you have achieved 75%, which is more than half of our account profit. The market is up 120 pips from where we took the trade. Our stop loss is 60 pips. Here the risk to reward ratio is followed 1:2. Hope to learn something from this live trading video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.
Welcome to our realization. We came prepared to kill the operation. It ain't fair, but I feel it with the nation.